Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on health insurance with Cigna detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the different health insurance plans offered by Cigna. Visit the official Cigna website to explore available plans. Take note of the specific coverage areas that meet your needs. Compare the costs of each plan, including premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Check for any additional benefits or discounts, such as wellness programs or preventive services. Consider your healthcare needs over the next year to determine which plan offers the best value. Utilize Cigna's online tools for personalized quotes based on your health requirements. If you qualify, look into government programs such as Medicaid or Medicare for additional savings. Explore Cigna's employer-sponsored insurance plans if you're working. Contact Cigna directly to ask about available discounts for members. Review customer testimonials to gauge the experiences of others with Cigna's services. If you're currently insured, evaluate if switching to a Cigna plan would save you money in the long run. Take advantage of Cigna's mobile app for easy plan management and access to virtual care options. Look into short-term health insurance options if you're in between jobs or plans. Keep an eye on open enrollment dates to make any necessary changes to your coverage. Stay informed about any upcoming changes in healthcare laws that may affect your insurance. Lastly, consider consulting with a licensed insurance broker for personalized guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.